What is up, guys? I'm eating sushi. In this video, I'm doing a World Explorers pack, opening these. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like, and see you in 1 second. Pack number 1. And out of all these packs, I want to get Australia. So, because I'm from Australia, I need to get Australia. Get away. Okay, what did I get? I got Solomon Islands. Put there. Next one.
Pack number 2.
So, wait, no way. No. Oh, damn it, I got Germany. But Steve isn't the full. Next one. Well, third pack. We'll get Australia. Got Bolivia. Fourth pack. Person in the back one, wait.
Make the ground shake.
Yes! I got Australia! Yes! It is, look! Oh my god! It's hard to see. It is Australia. Oh my god, yes. Okay, let's do a recap, because that was epic. I got Germany, Bolivia, I don't know if I can say that, Solomon Islands, and we got Australia. Noise. Okay, fifth pack. Don't. If I get Australia again, I'll scream again. I got Venezuela. Lasagna. Can't believe I got Australia. I can't believe I get another. Oh wait, this is weird. Cuba.
Don't know what that country is.
Yeah, me neither.
But it has a cool hat.
Last 4 packs. No, pack number 6.
Ouch.
Okay. I got Fiji. Oh, that's nice. Fiji, check that out. Fiji, that's pretty cool.
Imagine if we get another Australian.
Yeah, imagine.
Imagine if we get another African.
I got China.
Oh, remember that time I got like 1 million Americans?
No, I don't.
That was
Okay, last 2 packs.
What you gotta do if you
Yeah,
make
we're
that
good for the last 2 packs. We're gonna do
shake and blow.
blow on it. Okay, second person. Second last one. Oh, Cameroon.
Cameroon. I've got that.
Okay, last one.
I've got that.
Extra shake more. Blow on it. Okay. Nah, yeah, I got Vietnam. That's actually pretty nice 10 things. I'll show you the ones I got. Vietnam, Cameroon, China, Fiji, Cuba, Venezuela, Australia is the epic one. Solomon Islands, Bolivia, and Germany. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next video.